Hi guys. Alright, so, hi guys. I don't know, it was kind of dark there. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Just before we get too far into the video, I want to make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and watch, and, comment down below who's your favorite Roblox YouTuber, and let's get into the video. So today, I'm gonna be showing you guys another thing I have. I think it's still lit, even though it lost a piece. It's a helicopter. It's a United States Army helicopter made of Lego. As you guys can see, got a missile launcher. Oh no, it's gonna launch the camera. Alright. I can't believe it actually shot the camera. Alright, so guys, today I am just kind of chilling. I'm showing y'all off my stuff. As you can see from one of my previous videos, I showed off these two bad boys. Today, there's not really much. And I just wanted to show you guys another thing. If I can get it. Alright. I have a Rubik's Cube, like most people do. I haven't solved it once. I have not solved this once. So I hope I'll solve it eventually. I've gotten many sides in the full color before. It's just really hard on how to get it. Alright, let me put it back. Alright. So, guys, only come back if you leave a like on this video. I think I heard you leave a like. Now I'm gonna come back. Ta-da! I'm back. So, guys, if you're wondering what the heck made that noise, it's this. You can see through the bottom what's in it. It's a pretty good shaker. If you guys like the camouflage, please leave the like. Alright, so, guys, today, I don't really know what to do, so, I think that was a good spot to end it off. So, well, I know that was kind of short, but I'll see you all in my next vid. Bye! But before you guys go, I just want to say again, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and comment down below who's your favorite Roblox YouTuber. Alright, and bye!